I'm hurting inside, but you don't know. Yeah, if you're listening, maybe you felt this too. Sometimes the loudest screams never leave your mouth. I'm hurting inside, but you don't know. I keep my head high, never let it show. Everybody thinks I'm doing alright, but they never see the battles that I fight. Every morning I wake with the weight on my chest, trying to convince myself today will be the best. Looking in the mirror, asking who I become, still waiting for a day when the pain comes undone. I learned how to smile while my heart fell apart, how to hide every crack like a beautiful work of art. People hear my laughter, never hear my cries. Guess that's what happens when you master your disguise. Every scar on my soul has a story to tell, but I locked every chapter in a personal hell. If I open the door, would anybody stay, or would they disappear like they always do anyway? I'm still breathing, but I'm barely alive, trying to survive one day at a time. I'm hurting inside, but you don't know. I'm fighting silent wars wherever I go. There's a storm in my mind that nobody sees. I'm smiling outside while I'm begging for peace. I'm hurting inside, but you don't know. Holding on when I feel like letting go. If these walls could speak, they'd tell you everything I never say. I've been carrying pain like it's part of my name, blaming myself for things that were never my blame. Everybody says time will heal, but they don't know how these wounds still feel. I gave my trust away and watched it disappear. Now I second guess everyone who comes near. Built these walls so nobody gets in, but loneliness became the place I've been. Every dream feels farther than yesterday. Every prayer feels like it fades away. Still I keep walking through the pouring rain, hoping tomorrow won't look the same. I don't need applause, I don't need the fame. I just want someone to remember my name. Not because I'm perfect, not because I'm strong, but because I kept fighting when everything went wrong. Maybe one day the sun will shine again. Maybe these broken pieces will finally mend. Until that day, I'll keep standing here, even if my voice is shaking with fear. If you're hearing this and you feel the same, know you're not alone in this endless rain. I know what it feels like to lose your way, to smile all night and cry all day. Sometimes healing takes a little more time. Sometimes hope is hard to find, but every heartbeat means you're still alive, and every new sunrise is another chance to rise. I'm not pretending that the road is easy. Some nights the silence almost defeats me, but I'm still here writing every line, turning all this hurt into every rhyme. Maybe these words become somebody's life. Maybe they help someone survive tonight. If that's true, then every scar I own was never carried alone. I'm hurting inside, but you don't know. Still chasing hope through the falling snow. Even when my world feels cold and slow, I won't let the darkness steal my soul. I'm hurting inside, but you don't know. But I'm still standing, I'm still growing, one step closer to letting the light finally show. Yeah, you don't always have to be okay, but don't stop moving. One breath, one step, one day at a time.